Master remote leadership with these proven tips. Welcome to iSkillmind. Today, we're diving into how to lead a remote team effectively. Managing a remote team can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can turn these challenges into opportunities for success and growth. Struggling to manage your remote team? You're not alone. Many leaders face similar issues. Let's transform that challenge into success by learning effective remote leadership techniques that foster communication, trust, and productivity in your team. Did you know remote work has increased by 159% since 2005? This shift requires a new approach to leadership. Adapting to this change is crucial for maintaining team cohesion and ensuring that everyone remains on the same page. Effective leadership in remote teams hinges on clear communication. Without face-to-face interactions, misunderstandings can easily occur. Prioritize clear, concise communication to keep everyone aligned, informed, and motivated, ensuring that your team functions smoothly despite the physical distance. Setting clear expectations is crucial for remote team success. When team members understand their roles and responsibilities, they can work more efficiently. Clear expectations help prevent confusion, reduce errors, and ensure that everyone is working toward common goals. Effective leadership in remote teams hinges on clear communication. Ensuring that every team member understands their roles and responsibilities fosters a sense of direction and purpose. Transparent communication prevents misunderstandings and keeps everyone on the same page, driving productivity and collaboration. Setting clear expectations is crucial for remote team success. When team members know what is expected of them, they can work more efficiently and meet deadlines. Clear expectations reduce ambiguity, align team efforts, and help achieve organizational goals more smoothly and effectively. Technology like Slack or Zoom is indispensable for remote work. These tools facilitate real-time communication, collaboration, and virtual meetings, making it easier to stay connected. They help bridge the physical gap, ensuring that remote teams remain cohesive and productive. Leading remotely challenges traditional management practices. It requires adapting to new methods of communication and supervision. Managers must shift from micromanaging to trusting their teams, emphasizing results over hours worked, and fostering an environment where employees feel valued and supported. Remote leadership pushes leaders to adopt a more flexible approach. Flexibility is key, as it allows for accommodating different work styles and time zones. Leaders must be open to change, willing to experiment with new strategies, and continuously seek ways to improve remote work dynamics. Communicating regularly through video calls helps maintain a human connection, fostering trust and understanding. Face-to-face interactions, even virtually, can bridge the gap created by physical distance and keep everyone on the same page, promoting a cohesive team dynamic. Setting clear goals and expectations guides your remote team effectively. Clear objectives provide direction and purpose, ensuring everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. This clarity helps in maintaining productivity and aligning individual efforts with the team's overall mission. Leverage project management tools like Trello or Asana to streamline workflows. These platforms offer a centralized space to track progress, assign tasks, and manage deadlines, ensuring that everyone stays organized and accountable, regardless of their location. Fostering a culture of trust and accountability is vital for remote team success. Trust empowers team members to take initiative, while accountability ensures everyone meets their commitments. This balance creates a supportive environment where each member feels valued and responsible for their work. Encouraging team collaboration with tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams enhances communication and teamwork. These platforms facilitate real-time discussions, file sharing, and project collaboration, making it easier for remote teams to stay connected and work together seamlessly. Providing regular feedback and recognizing achievements keeps team morale high and boosts productivity. Acknowledge accomplishments publicly to foster motivation. Constructive feedback helps team members grow and improve, creating a positive and supportive work environment that drives continuous development. Ensuring work-life balance is crucial for remote teams. Respecting boundaries prevents burnout and promotes overall well-being. Encourage breaks and flexible schedules, allowing team members to recharge. A balanced approach leads to higher job satisfaction and sustained productivity. Organizing virtual team-building activities strengthens bonds and enhances collaboration. Fun events like online games or virtual coffee breaks create a sense of camaraderie. These interactions build trust and improve communication, making the team more cohesive and effective. Offering professional development opportunities remotely keeps the team engaged and motivated. Provide access to online courses, webinars, and workshops. Continuous learning and skill enhancement empower team members to excel in their roles and contribute more effectively to projects. Staying flexible and open to new ways of working is essential for remote leadership. Embrace innovative tools and methods to optimize team performance. Adaptability ensures that the team can navigate challenges and seize opportunities, fostering a resilient and dynamic work environment. Jane, a remote team leader, uses daily stand-ups to keep her team aligned. These brief meetings ensure everyone is on the same page, fostering a sense of connection and accountability. Her team stays motivated and productive, knowing their contributions are valued. Tom leverages Zoom for weekly check-ins to maintain team cohesion. These virtual meetings provide an opportunity to discuss progress, address challenges, and celebrate achievements. By maintaining regular communication, Tom ensures his team feels supported and engaged despite the physical distance. Sarah implemented Slack channels for project-specific communication. This approach streamlines conversations and keeps everyone focused on their tasks. Team members can easily collaborate and share updates, ensuring that projects stay on track and deadlines are met efficiently. Company X successfully transitioned to remote work by adopting clear communication strategies. They prioritized transparency and regular updates, which helped reduce misunderstandings and increased trust within the team. This focus on communication allowed them to maintain productivity and employee satisfaction during the transition. Company Y saw a productivity boost by setting clear expectations for their remote team. By outlining specific goals and responsibilities, they eliminated confusion and empowered employees to take ownership of their work. This clarity not only enhanced performance but also improved overall team morale. Micromanaging your remote team can significantly damage trust and autonomy. It's important to give team members the freedom to manage their own tasks. Allowing them to take ownership of their work fosters a sense of responsibility and boosts morale. Neglecting team bonding activities can be detrimental, even in a remote setting. Regularly scheduled virtual social events help to maintain a sense of camaraderie. This fosters stronger relationships and encourages a more cohesive and collaborative team environment. The right tools are essential for effective communication in remote teams. Failing to implement tools like Slack or Zoom can create barriers. Ensuring seamless communication channels helps the team stay connected and aligned on goals and tasks. Leading a remote team effectively requires dedication and strategic planning. While it may be challenging, applying the right strategies can overcome these hurdles. Clear communication, trust, and the right tools are key components for success in a remote setup. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, share your idea, and subscribe to iSkillmind for more insightful content. Your engagement helps us bring more valuable information to help you lead your remote team to success. Thank you for your support.